Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 10. This lesson we're talking about being able to solve problems with addends of 7, 8, and 9. We know that addends means parts. So looking at this, we can see 8 plus 7 equals blank. Well, we have 8 and 7 in here. So we see the selfish 8, and we also see our new adding to the family. That is our sneaky 7. So we have selfish 8 and sneaky 7 that we're going to be looking at. So let's talk about all three. Let's talk about the greedy 9, the selfish 8, and the sneaky 7. Now we know that greedy 9 is going to borrow 1 from the other part to become 10. Now the selfish 8, we know the selfish 8 is going to go and borrow 2 from the other number to be 10. And we know that sneaky 7 is going to borrow 3 to become 10. So let's go back and look at this. Now we know that we're going to look at the bigger number. So looking at 8. So now we know that 8 is the bigger number. So we're going to draw a short math drawing first. So 8 is our bigger number. So the selfish 8 is bigger. And then we're going to draw the 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that selfish 8 is going to go to 7, say, hey, can I take 2? So it's going to take 2, so it can become 10. All right, now let's show that in the number bond strategy. So we know that 8 is going to go to 7 and say, hey, 7, can I borrow 2? And since the 7 is smaller than the 8, the 7 is going to say, okay. So that 8 is going to become 10. And that 7, we know there was 7. But the 7 just gave away 2. So we have to take 2 away from that 7. So there was 7, but now it's 6, 5. So that is 5. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to add the 10 and the 5 together. Those are our leftovers. That was what was left after we added and we took away from that 7. So we know that is 10, 5. 10 plus 5. Well, we can count on in this short math drawing. We can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or we can also know that 10, 5 equals 15. So that means that 8 plus 7 equals 15. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.